Hey everybody, Ian here with Redline to show you a new dolly that we started carrying at Redline. This thing is really cool and makes all the difference in the world for people who are trying to move around great big heavy tractor tires, kind of like the one behind me. I'll get to that here in a little later. But first, this thing's got 2,600 pounds of capacity, obviously steel and powder coated. Got a lot of features to it that you might not be expecting, so come on in and I'll show you what I'm talking about. First thing I want to show you is the arm up top that keeps the tire from falling over. This thing's got a lot of adjustability to it. Basically just loosen this handle right here and the unit can telescope in, out, spin it, whatever you want to do, lock it in place. You've also got the ability to unlock it here and raise it up or down, lock it in place, lots of adjustability. That is by no means all the adjustability in it. If you'll pull a pin out down here in the bottom, pull this clevis out, you can lean the unit over, let that pin slide in there. There we go, come on through, put it back in place. You can lean the entire arm over if you need to. You've got a removable handle right here, slide in there. You can also take the handle away from the jack, slide it in there, and you've got two great big poles that you can use to grab it and move it around. Down here at the bottom of the dolly, we've got great big locking casters, and one of the things I want to point out that's really cool is not only are all of the rollers here on bearings, obviously, but you notice the spring right here, they actually tilt in order to match the diameter of the tire you're using. The business end of this dolly is what's really cool. Down here, you've got this safety pin that locks it in place. You can put it right there and basically start adjusting it, and it will fall into whatever slot you want it to. So I can push down on this lever and then notice the pin drops right in. If I want to go, say, in the other direction, I pull the pin out and start pumping on it. And it goes in, push down on the lever while you're pumping on it, and it goes out. All right, let's suppose for a minute that I was going to use this unit. I had a tire on here and a wheel in it. I've locked all my casters in place. Just kind of shimmy it in between the dolly. And I'll lower my arm back down so that it can't fall out. Start pumping on the handle. You move it out a little bit here, get it up on these rollers. There we go. You can see the rollers adjusting to the size we need. And already, if I need to, I can spin the wheel to line the lugs up. I'll go ahead and bring it on up a bit more. So I'm raising the tire up off of the ground here. I'll go ahead and take my arm, just kind of spin it in place to where I want it. And here we are. I can raise it up a little more if I need to. I could unlock my casters and roll it around. At this point, I could take a tire that weighs several hundred pounds and lift it right up onto the tractor just how I needed to. Obviously, to take it back down, I'm just going to step on the pedal and then lower it down. So that's our new 2,600 pound capacity tractor tire lift/dolly. You can get it at our website, redlinestands.com. You can give us a shout if you need it, 901-351-4764. As always, we appreciate you taking the time to watch our video. We ask that you click the button down below and subscribe to us on YouTube. We upload videos and new product like this all the time, and appreciate you watching.